this last bit of wall, so I'll turn you around and show you what I'm doing. This is the last frame that I started last night, and it's part of that wall there, so which is a central dividing wall between the master bedroom, the guest room and the corridor, and this bit of the house. You can imagine the house is split into kind of three bits, three phases. So the plan is to get this up to date, and then after that, which is a very simple job, very quick, and then I'll think about what's next. This piece of timber here is twisted like this, and so to get it into line, what I've done on that end, I've put about 6 nails in to hold it really secure. While that's secure, I've screwed on a temporary piece of scrap here. So what I can do now is clamp. This is also nailed with about 4 nails in the bottom there, just to hold it in place. And I can now just bring that into line. He says sometimes it takes 2 or more clamps to really get it to come into position. Sometimes 2 is better. 3 fell off. You could sort of mess around and get them into where you want them, but the result will be okay. There we go. So that's 2 in. You can see now it's twisted it back into place. So what I can do now is put in that nail that I've taken out. And I can nail it side with a few extra nails in there. If the nail doesn't work, sorry.